My name is Frank Hogendorn. I am the Chief Data Officer at MindSense Technologies, and we build technology for the mining industry. So at MindSense, I'm responsible for the digital products and services, our data infrastructure, data science and machine learning team, as well as a team of really smart geoscientists. We service the mining industry, as I said, and right now our clients are copper clients. The big problem that's facing the mining industry, and particularly the copper mining industry right now, which is that the average grades that are being mined right now are about half of what they were 20 years ago. We've mined all the easy stuff, and now the grades are a lot deeper in the ground. So there's more underground mining, and which is a lot more costly. But there's also a lot more awareness around environmental sustainability and social license to operate and those sorts of things. And so that's driven up the cost of mining. Mines need to start mining smarter, not harder. And so what they're doing is turning to technology to do that, and the type of technology that we provide. We had to liberate and democratize the data. And by the way, we need to do that really, really quickly because the company was growing quickly and we're getting a lot of demand for the product. And the question I'm always asked is this: why are you guys using Oracle? And people know about AWS, they know about Azure and so on, but not a lot of people hear about the Oracle Cloud. You know, it doesn't have quite a large footprint. And I would answer, of course, Oracle is one of the best databases in the world. The cloud is great and so on. But there's really one key reason why I choose the Oracle product, and that's this: Oracle Application Express. What it allows you to do basically is build and develop and deploy applications completely living within the database, all within the platform. You don't have to install anything else and so on. So the reason I love this tool so much is this: it's speed to value. It's that speed that I love about Apex. I love this quote. This is from the former president of Google Enterprise Apps. He's long believed that speed is the ultimate business weapon in business. All else being equal, the fastest company in any market can win. And recently I heard a talk, and the speaker said this, which I 100% believe is true, is that velocity is a new measure of satisfaction between business and IT. So if we look at Apex and why does it enable us to go faster? Why do low-code tools in general enable you to go faster? Again, this tagline here is ripped off from the Apex site: eliminate 98% of the hand coding. I think that's really what drives it. Is the less code means just fewer bugs and better quality. And also it's a comprehensive framework. And so that I believe keeps developers out of the ditches. So, the security is built in the application. Professionals at Oracle have given a lot of thought to security. When you can rapidly prototype something, it surfaces requirements a lot faster. So a lot of times, if you look at development projects, it's the gathering requirements that's really the time-consuming part. And part of the reason is because users just don't necessarily know what they want until they see it. And so when you look at the complexity that I had to deal with, we were very quickly able to stand up prototypes, get them in front of the users, and so on. I saw this quote the other day, or a few weeks ago: "We work at the limit of our tools." And the tools we choose can have such a big impact on the outcome. And some of you may have seen this article that was floating around, example that was floating around on Twitter a couple of weeks ago, where scientists had to rename their human genes to stop Microsoft Excel from misleading them as dates. So here I have an example where the tool is 100% definitely impacting the work, impacting the business, and it's creating limitations. So again, so what I like about low-code tools is a lot of that goes away. You can work very, very quickly, and if you choose the right tools, I think we improve that velocity of meeting business requirements.